So I got a request to talk all the way up until I sneeze, and so I'm gonna do that. I couldn't figure out what to talk about, so I have pulled a couple poems to read to you all, most of which are about sneezing. Just so I'll have something to talk about. So here goes. Ugh. Okay. What a moment. What a doubt. All my nose is inside out. All my thrilling, tickling. Oh, pyramid. Oh, my rhinoceros. What? Wants to sneeze and cannot do it. How it yearns me, fills me, stings me. How with rapturous torment wrings me. Now says, "Please, you fool, get through it." She, oh, it's most, delish. Ishi, most delishy. Hang it. I shall sneeze till spring. Snuff is a delicious thing. And that was Sneezing by a guy named Lee Hunt, who was a friend of a lot of the Romantic poets. Whew. Then wise Penelope answered him, "Go, call him hither, that he may himself tell me to my face. But as for these men, let them make sport, as they sit in the doorway or here in the house, since their hearts are merry. For their own possessions lie untouched in their homes, bread and sweet wine, and on these do their servants feed, but themselves strong in our house. Good day. Ooh, slaying our oxen and sheep and fat goats, and keep revel, and drink the flaming wine recklessly, and havoc is made of all this wealth. For there is no man here such as Odysseus, to keep ruin from the house. But if Odysseus should come and return to his native land, so straightway would he with his son take vengeance on these men for their violent deeds. So she spoke, and Telemachus sneezed loudly, and all the room about echoed wondrously. In the dim shade of the unrustled grove, amidst the silence of approaching night, I saw thee standing, as through boughs above, filtered the pencils of the dying light. Grace, I had thought thou wert by far too proud to weary of the world and all its pain, to pause so wistfully, with head bowed, forgetting all thy coldness and disdain. But in that instant all my doubts and fears were swept away, as on the evening breeze, when I beheld thee, not indeed in tears, but racked and shaken with a mighty sneeze. And that's H.P. Lovecraft. Okay, I think that might be. God. Whew. It for the moment. Hope you enjoyed a bit of poetry and sneezing. I might try it again. But for now, I'm just gonna sneeze it out a little bit because I took the stupid chicken, so I'm gonna be sneezing for 5 more minutes.